Assalamu alaikum. I hope my dear sister and brother, hope you are well. So I am come back to another review video. So which I made few hours ago. So it's only for withdrawal review and site review. So I also explain it after few times. So what I do request you my channel about my channel information. My channel is a crypto and travel news. I also made information about cryptocurrency and also online income, and I think I made a travel or tourism site in this video in this YouTube site. So it will be future. So not me, no, I cannot made current this time. So what I so I want to ask you, I want to tell you that please subscribe my channel and beside the bell, press the bell icon for fasting information. So you can if you receive receive information, then you can join or any income sign on other news. So I before a time I made a withdrawal review. So I may here is a video. This video I also made a 0.60 TRX withdraw. Here is a I please see the video when I withdraw request, then it will be made few hours, within 3 hours. Okay, so here is this main. Okay, yes, this time I also made this withdrawal request about 36. Okay, please I also I was request to 0.60 TRX and my wallet address is this link. Okay, and which I receive LTC amount. So my LTC amount was 0.0070078. Okay, please remember it. I also proved that it's made receive very quickly. Okay. Next, there is a confirm button. I also press this. Okay. So continue. Okay, video request has been successfully saved. Okay, so I now I uh, uh, so now I go to my TRX wallet. Here is withdrawal request about 9 hours ago, but I also received this LTC amount within 3 hours. Here is transaction ID. Okay, you can see this. So, and now I prove that I received this LTC my wallet. So please please see this. Okay, so request LTC amount which is my wallet is a trusted site and is similar to $0.003. Okay, my wallet center. Okay, and also network fee will cut from this LTC which was 0.028269. So I also received this another screenshot. Here is the screenshot. Okay, fine. If you prove this another amount, then you can go to your LTC site, which TRX site. So you can prove this from this site. Okay, so I also request you can join now this channel, this site, and mining safely. If you can invest this site, if you say it's safe, so inshallah you will be earned from this site. So I think it's made quickly or paid quickly. So you can join now. I also it's a trusted site. So you can. I also made a video previously how to join this site. So you can join now. Here is a Nicholas, who is a consultant. This you can chat with him. So everything you ask you will quickly return. Okay, fine. Please join now. I also joining link this video. If you any question and made information, so you can also comment my video description. So no more today. Take care, stay here, and safely in this site. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Join